Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can ping an iPhone from an Apple Watch Series 10. So it is a very simple and quick thing to do. Take your Apple Watch, unlock them. Once they are unlocked, press the side button once to launch the control panel, and here among available controls look for this specific icon. So that looks like an iPhone with some waves going from both sides of it, should I say. So tap on it, and as you can hear, the iPhone will produce a sound. If you didn't hear that, let me put the iPhone closer to a microphone so you will hear it for sure. Yep, so here it is. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, do not hesitate to use the comment section you see below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.